Rims and tires. During the Alpine A110's development phase, the Alpine engineers and designers selected the best suppliers to guarantee the highest level of performance and finish. The 18-inch forged aluminum rims on the Premier Edition version, with their exclusive matte black diamond tone finish, have been produced by the German manufacturer Otto Fuchs. This technical decision means a weight saving of 2.3 kilos per rim. The exclusive Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, 205/40R18 at the front and 235/40R18 at the back, provide very high levels of performance. These tires were developed over 2 years and 1,860 miles of tests to ensure that they were good enough for the Alpine A110's big occasion personality.